See the next part in the question number 2 in the practice set number 51. See the question number 2 you are completed last video 1 and 2 question. Now I am showing the third question how to do it using our formula a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. See the next question they are given. You want to find out the product of 54 multiplied by 46. See, you want to do this expansion in the form of a plus b and a minus b. How it will get? That is a 50 plus 4 and one bracket and 50 minus 4. See here a will be 50 and b will be 4. Then a 50 square minus 4 square. Here I am using a square minus b square formula. Then what I will get? 50 square will get 2500 and a 4 square will get a 16. And if you do this subtraction, we will get a 2484. One more question they ask, that is you have to find out the value of 98 multiplied by 102. See how I can do this expansion. 98 I can write in the form of 100 minus 2 and in another bracket I can write in the form of 100 plus 2. See, in this both a will be same, b is also same. Then afterward I will use a square minus b square formula, that is 100 square minus 2 square. 100 square will get here 10,000 and 2 square will get here 4. If you do this subtraction, we will get a 9,996. This way we have to complete the practice set number 51. And afterwards I want to find out the next part, that is a factorizing the algebraic expression. See here, what is that factorizing the algebraic expression? See here, I will show you in your textbook they are given. You know the how to factorize the number. If they are given the example as a 15, then that 15 factor will come 3 5s are 15. Means here factor of 15 is 3 and 5 are the factors. If they are given 3x, you want to do the factors, then how you can do this factorization? 3 multiplied by x. Here 3 and x are the factor. Means factor means what? If you multiply this, again we'll get that number. Okay, that is called as a factors. Here one more example they are given. You want to factorize this 5t square. What their factor will come? 5 multiplied by t square, and afterward this 5 multiplied by t square factor will come t into t. Means 5 multiplied by t multiplied by t. These are the factors of 5t square will come. Okay, then this way you can go for another one example, that is a 6ab square I want to factorize. Then 6 splitting will come 2 3s are, and a multiplied by b square means b into b. Means here 6ab square factor will come 2 into 3 into a into b into b. These all are the factor of 6ab square will be there. Then always you remember, when factorizing the monomial, first you factorize the coefficient. See, first you factorize this number. In the 6ab square, who is a coefficient? 6 is their coefficient. Then first you factorize this number, and afterwards whatever the variables are there, that you factorize. Then that point only they are given. When you are factorizing the monomial, first you factorize the coefficient, and if the possible, then factorize the part with the variable. Now we'll go for our practice set number 52. In that one they ask, factorize the following expression and write them in the product form. Means here you want to factorize 201 a cube plus b square you want to factorize. Then how you can factorize this one? See here, 201 will be divisible by 3. 201 will be divisible by 2. 201 will be divisible by 3 because their sum will be divisible by 3. Then if you divide this 201 by 3, we'll get a 3 multiplied by 67. See here, first I am factorizing this coefficient. That 67 into 3 will get 201, and afterwards you factorize this coefficient a cube. You can write in the form of a multiplied by a multiplied by a, and a b square factor will come b multiplied by b. Okay, then this is about the first question is there. Now in the second question they ask, factorize the 91 xy t square. 91 xy t square. See, this 91 is divisible by 7, and if you divide this by 7, we'll get a 13 multiplied by 7. 13 multiplied by 7 will come 91, and afterwards x multiplied by y multiplied by t multiplied by t. See, these are the factors of 91 xy t square. Then third question they ask here, we want to factorize 24 a square b square. See, 24 factors will come. If you divide this by 2, then we'll get a 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. See here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 will get. And afterward a square factor will come a multiplied by a, and a b square factor will come b multiplied by b. See, within a one step we'll get the answer. Then this way we have to factorize t r square s cube. Afterward you want to factorize 5x. Afterwards you want to factorize 21 a square b you want to factorize. And afterward you want to factorize 9 t square as a 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by t multiplied by t. Then this way we have to complete the practice set number 52. And all these things you write it in your notebook, and you complete the math CW book also. And next time I will explain the next part.